Everyone knows Phuket and Krabi in Thailand, but no one knows the truth about these places. You would have probably not heard about this Phi Phi Island, but if you are a nature lover and love traveling like us, you would have this place in your bucket list by end of this video. Keeping in mind with all the truth on condition in 2024. But important truth is you can 100% afford it and shockingly cheap and epic these places. Let's go and travel with this.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna
Our day started with a lot of confusion as we accidentally boarded the wrong tour traveler which brought us to the Sea Angel. And we got to know that the Sea Angel take the tour from ferry and that to show places from the distance. Gladly we already knew about it and made the changes in our plan 2 days before so that we can show you the best view of Phi Phi Islands, which is still a dream place for many of the people around the world. But we are stuck here.
Thank you.
Finally, we have reached the exact location. Sea Angel didn't discourage us, as we waited patiently for a person to take us to the correct tour operator, which is AM Traveler. And here we are. We gave extra 2,200 Thai baht as we upgraded our Phi Phi Island tour with the speedboat instead of ferry. That too for you guys, to show you the beauty that can make you feel so mesmerizing that you can't resist to visit this.
Before we're going to start the tour, I'll give you more information first, everyone. So this is Phi Phi Island, everyone. And as you can see, Phi Phi Island, they have two main islands. First one we call Phi Phi Dot. Second one we call Phi Phi Nation. Where we going today first? From here to the first stop, everyone. This is a big lagoon over by the mountain. This place, everyone. Yesterday we have a lot of problems with this place. 20 boats stuck inside the lagoon. They cannot come out. They go elevator, they out to London. Why, everyone? Because the height of the water. Everything.
Yes, you heard it correct. There are chances that we might not hit this main attraction of the Phi Phi Island, as it all depends on the tides. If there are high tides, we won't be able to go inside this beautiful lagoon. Let's see how it goes. Hope for the best.
Line, yeah? And this way, please, everyone. Everyone, orange, line.
And here we made it to our speedboat through floating pier. And as you saw, two staff snapped our photos, almost like we are celebrity. This is all scam, which I will let you know by end of this vlog. Best part is we strategically choose the front seat of our boat just to show you guys the best view and to make you enjoy this as if you are here at the moment. host is providing refreshments and overview to our first spot, that is Viking Cave.
Because if gone, bye bye. So, see elephants over there? You see the hut over there? From here to Phi Phi Island. Everyone, and when you got to take a seat here, don't stand yet. Because sometimes you want to see the
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay.
big wave, storm come, they go inside the cave hiding from the storm. And the picture that they draw, the
So
biggest
we are
picture
here at our first
you
stop,
can
Viking Cave, known for its monkey inhabitants and known for its fascinating history and the unique features. This cave is home to ancient rock paintings of some boats, which are basically Chinese boats, not the Viking boats. Also, it is popular spot for collecting edible birds' nests. We can't enter the cave itself. You can admire its beauty from the outside. And we now will move towards our next stop, the main attraction of the Phi Phi Island, which is called as Pileh Lagoon. Wow, check this out. We just entered Pileh Lagoon and it's like something out of a dream. Huge mountains rise up all around us and the water is so clear and blue it almost sparkles. This is amazing. I can't believe how beautiful it is. We are so lucky to be here. This place is insane. I'm gonna need a minute to process all this awesome and maybe a pina colada.
Got that feeling in your arms and knees, the kind of feeling where you simply freeze. Don't you worry, let me throw you up, 'cause I think I know where you always stuck.
Okay, get this. This isn't just any old pretty lagoon. This is Pileh Lagoon, and it's got some serious secrets. First off, this place was formed millions of years ago, like dinosaur times. Apparently, the earth just went cracked and boom, instant swimming pool. But wait, there is more. Legends has it that this water has magical powers. Okay, maybe not magical, but the local believes it's packed with minerals and stuff that can make you feel younger. So swim at your own risk. You might just turn into a teenager again. Hold on to your hat because this is just the beginning. Next up, we are heading to the legendary Maya Bay. You know, the beach from the Leo DiCaprio movie. That's Maya Bay. Get ready for even more jaw-dropping scenery because this place is seriously next level. We are talking white sand beaches, hidden caves, and water so clear you can practically see forever. I heard they even have monkeys.
Let's go, Papa. We cannot parking long yet. We cannot parking long yet.
Taxi, Sandy, follow me, please. Taxi, Sandy, follow me, please. Taxi, Sandy, follow me, please. Taxi, Sandy, follow me this way, please. Sexy Sandy team, follow me this way, please. Sexy Sandy team, this way, please. Sexy Sandy team.
Oh god, picture this Maya Bay. That beach from the film with Leonardo DiCaprio. But what they don't show you in the movie is the crowd. It was like the whole of India decided to come for a holiday on the same day. Full jam packed. I tell you, people everywhere. Then our guy said, okay, 1 hour to enjoy. Then meet back here. 1 hour only? Oh my god. In this fish market, 1 hour only. For that next 45 minutes, I was staring at one tree that was told to remember. A bit of leaning one-sided tree, hoping it wouldn't suddenly walk away. Every time I turned around, the crowd looked different. It was like one of those games where you have to find the hidden things. But instead of a thing, I was looking for our Maya Bay. Okay, enough with the serious stuff for now. It's time to relax and enjoy the island life. Phi Don is the main island, and it's where you will find all the action: restaurants, bars, shops, and a vibe that's just contagious. I'm not going to lie, the food here is incredible. From fresh seafood to spicy curries to the sweetest mango sticky rice you ever tasted. Your taste buds are in for a treat.
Like everybody, baby, go and love your.
So we are here at Monkey Beach. These monkeys are adorable, but they are also wild animals. So keep your distance. Don't feed them, and definitely don't try to take a selfie with one. Trust me, it won't end well. And finally, you are looking for the ultimate escape. Khai Island in your place. Imagine picture perfect beaches, snorkeling in a vibrant coral reefs, and a feeling of total relaxation. As I watch the sunset over the incredible island, I am reminded of how lucky we are to experience such beauty. But it's all a reminder that we need to protect these places so that they can continue to inspire future generations of travelers.
बैठो बैठो बैठो
So, what you're waiting for? Add Phi Phi Island to your bucket list. But promise me, you will travel responsibly. Leave a comment below with your favorite moment from this video. And don't forget to subscribe for more epic adventures. See you in the next one.